Who is a traitor? Although it is easy to call someone a traitor, is there a legal definition of a traitor? What we find is that there isn't a clear and specific legal definition of a traitor, other than it being used as a characterization of someone who is guilty of treason. And unlike the term traitor in the United States, the crime of treason is clearly set out at 18 U.S. Code 2381, which states, "Whoever owing allegiance to the United States levies war against them or adheres to their enemies, giving them aid and comfort within the United States or elsewhere, is guilty of treason and shall suffer death, or shall be imprisoned not less than 5 years, and fined under this title but not less than $10,000, and shall be incapable of holding any office under the United States." Clearly, this is a very high legal threshold to be charged, let alone convicted of treason, so as to be characterized as a traitor, because the individual must both be charged and found guilty of either 1, levying war against the United States of America, or 2, giving aid and comfort to the enemies of the United States. And until such time no individual is legally a traitor based on the strict legal definition as to what a traitor is. Now, that is not to say that people are colloquially referenced as a traitor for having taken an adverse action or position as against their home country. However, from a strict legal standard, that is not a traitor, which is technically limited to someone adjudicated by a court of law as guilty of the crime of treason under 18 U.S. Code 2381. And for that reason, when Tulsi Gabbard, in her confirmation hearing for Department of National Intelligence Secretary, declined to refer to Edward Snowden as a traitor, from a strict legal interpretation, she was correct in not naming him a traitor. So for Tulsi Gabbard to avoid mischaracterizing Edward Snowden as a traitor based upon a strict legal interpretation of treason and traitor avoids a further misapplication of legal terminology and the improper reduction of language that has become exceedingly prevalent in society. Naturally, by refusing to agree to a mischaracterization of a term from its strict legal definition as it pertains to treason, this does provide political issues for Tulsi Gabbard. Nevertheless, it does enable legal terminology to be more properly used in the context of important discussions and legal characterizations. For more informative analysis on legal topics, we welcome you to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.